women.
Oh, fuck yeah. Even better.
The weather girl.
How'd you like that? Actually, that's the preview of the
I was like, who the fuck is that?
I know.
for a brand new gold mine album called Cat.
Am I dead?
Were those my last 30 seconds? Smart man. Go, when are you gonna write our names on a race car when we're always with you? Then we're always with you. What? Sergey, what'd you say? Me no understand. Chicago. You know what I feel like watching now? Edward Scissorhands. I love that movie.
I feel like watching Wally.
Oh, I love Wally. I have the pops.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Looking fresh, looking fresh. Damn, hey, 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 hey. Keep coming alive, ladies and gentlemen.
So
Can I
fun.
catch a fade too? What up, Fidel Cashflow? Tonos 2 with Grinding Machine, Dumb and Dumber. Oh, I love that movie. Who that be? Razor Flash, thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate it. KDO, you got deported.